Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to deposit money on Gate.io. So let's get started. First, go to the Gate.io website. Once you are on the main page, log in. After logging in, look at the top right hand side of the screen and click on Assets tab. Then select Spot. This will take you to the Spot page where you can deposit or withdraw money. For this tutorial, we will focus on depositing money. There are two ways to deposit. You can either buy crypto using your credit card or deposit existing crypto coins like Solana or any other coins you want. I will show you both methods. First, let's buy crypto with a credit card. Click on buy crypto, which will take you to the page where you can enter the amount you want to deposit in USDT. After entering the amount, scroll down and select the credit card method. You will see several credit card deposit options. I choose the first one because it's the fastest and owned by Gate.io, making it the safest option. The other options are third-party payment methods. After selecting your option, you will see your deposit amount and the fee on the right hand side. For example, if I select $100 to deposit, I will receive 93 point something dollars. After the fee, check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. A window will pop up asking for your personal details like name, nationality, location, and date of birth. Complete these details, then click confirm. You will then be asked to enter your credit card details, and that's how you deposit money on Gate.io using a credit card. So if you found this video helpful, leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions related to it, leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching.